Hello, sir. This is PK2V Canon system. This model number is 171. 171. Okay. And also 181 is our model number 2. Okay. Now today I will tell you how to program remote to Manuality. This Manuality is programmed. It can work with Manuality. I show you. Lock. B. Unlock is everything along AV. Lock. Unlock. No. Another. Lock. Unlock. Battery. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Okay. I need to program to remote to Manuality. The learning method is as follows. Also, you can check this manual. This 22 page. Couldn't memorizing our remote. Use this. Okay. Firstly, you need this unlock, lock, unlock. If you want to learn remote to Manuality, it is in disarm, and then this is on one. Okay, on one. Connect it to 12. Supply power to this Manuality. Okay. Yes. And then press this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blink. Take it away. Press 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Only one. Learning success. You must learn remote within 6 seconds. It passed 6 seconds, so the second remote learning is failure. Let me learn this again. Firstly, disarm. First disarm, secondly, okay. On one, touch, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blink, take it away. 1, 2. Yes. Successful. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And also this is the second video. Also in this video I will tell you how to learn remote to Manuality. Because you must learn remote to Manuality in disarm status. If you two remotes lost control, you cannot enter the disarm status. So you need to use this validity button. It is a reset button to enter the disarm status. You also can read the page 22 page 22, and there is a method to tell you how to disarm system without remote control. Okay, now, because now if it is in ARM, okay, just this system is ARM. Okay, now ARM. You wanted to learn the remote in disarm, so you need to disarm the system but without control. So you need to by this button. Okay. Firstly, turn the key to on. So use this on one touch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. dB. Yes. Now it's disarm. Immediately disarm. Okay. Now in disarm, touch the cable again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blinks. Take it away. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Yes. Successful. Okay. If you finish the first learning remote, it is easy to learn the second remote. Disarm. Okay. Disarm. Now this is on one. Touch the 12 power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blink. Take it away. 1, 2. Yes, successful. B. Learning successful. Disarm. Yes, disarm. Arm. Disarm. Arm. Okay. Let me repeat the learning method. Firstly, Disarm. Secondly, 1, 2, touch the power. And play this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is disarm, okay? Disarm. Yeah, disarm. On 1, touch 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blinks. 1, 2. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.